Morning student, welcome back. Today we will know where to use am, is, are. For example, I am a girl, she is a girl, we are friends. So student, when you say I, you have to use am, am. I am a girl, I am a teacher. When you say you, we, they, then you have to use are. We are, they are. When we use he, she, or it, then we use is. He is, she is, it is. Like he is a boy, she is a girl, it is a toy. So let's do a exercise, that is fill in the blank. Before that we will read few lines. He is a boy, I am in class first, this is my school. They are boys, we are in class first, these are my friends. So fill in the blanks. This is a bus, these are puppies. I am a girl, this is the sun. She is a teacher. So student, now I think you know where to use is, am and are. Again, for I, we will use am. For is, for he, she, it, we will use is. When we are saying we, you, they, we are using are. Now let's read next passage. One mango is in the basket. 4 mangoes are on the tree. 1 frog is in the water. 4 frogs are outside. 1 bird is in the nest. 4 birds are in the sky. 1 girl is in the house. 3 girls are outside. जब बहुत सारों की बात कर रहे हैं तब आर लगा रहे हैं. जब एक सिंगुलर की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम सिर्फ इज लगा रहे हैं. कुछ और एक्टिविटीज देखते हैं. राधा इज अ गर्ल, सुमा इज हर नेबर, दे आर फ्रेंड्स. आई एम ऑल्सो देयर फ्रेंड. ही इज बॉलिंग, आई एम बैटिंग, यू आर फील्डिंग, वी आर प्लेइंग cricket. So this is the example where we are using is, am, are. Again we will revise where to use here is. He is a boy, she is a girl, it is a dog. They are boys, they are girls, they are dogs. जब बहुत लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं हम लगाएंगे are, और जब सिंगुलर की बात कर रहे हैं तब लगाएंगे is. So that's all for today's class student. Bye. Thank you.